Merong twin house na affordable sa Calamba, sa Mahada Out, Calamba, Laguna. 30,000 lang yung cash layout, zero down payment. Ayan, may bahay ka na. Ito si Agapea Townhouse. Meron itong two-story townhouse. Ang twin house kasi, isang building, dalawang bahay lang. Para siyang Pagsibol Village. May parking area din sa gilid at sa gilid ng bahay. Naka-basic finish painted walls. Ang floor area nito is 50 square meters. Gated secured community, complete family amenities. So ito provision for 3 bedrooms. May kitchen area, may living area, 1 bathroom, parking space, and 24/7 security. So kung naghahanap ka ng affordable dyan, ito na siya, computation baka naman okay sa'yo. Again, Agapea Townhouse, Calamba, sa Mahada Out, Calamba, Laguna. Ang payout mo napakamababa. Twin house duplex na semi-complete. Ang lot area malaki, 70 square meters. Ang floor area is 50 square meters. Ang cash out mo lang is ito, 10,000 holding fee, 20,000 bank processing fee, so 30,000 na yan. 100% loanable, so ang amount na 2,850,000, yun yung pinaka-loanable amount natin. So, ang monthly amortization sa 30 years kasi under Pag-ibig tayo is 18,961. Salary required 63,000. Kung 25, 20,000. Kung 20 years, 22,000. And so on and so forth. Ito, linawin lang natin ha, ang cash layout mo lang, or ang cash out mo lang talaga is 30,000. Ayan na. And then after 30 days, mag-start wala palang down payment. 'di ba? To secure the unit, 30,000 only, walang equity, walang down payment siya. Para siyang Pagsibol kasi pareho lang ito kami ng company ni Pagsibol Village and si Agapea Towns. Isa lang po halos ang may-ari na corporation. So, napakaganda kung diyan ang target mo sa Mahada Out and okay ka sa 18,961 per month sa Pag-ibig na 30 years at ang sahod po ay 63,000, pwede mag-combine salary. Affordable pa din. Twin house yan eh.